Peace and blessings to all my kings and queens, my royals. Welcome to anyone that is new here. Trust me, you are in the right place. And if you haven't already subscribed, please do so and hit the bell so you'll be notified whenever I upload a video. So, there's been a lot of new people coming over to the channel, and I believe it's from, pictures that I posted in a Facebook group. So welcome. I appreciate everybody that's come over here, as well as a lot of people have been going to my Facebook page um, to see like the pictures and stuff that I've been posting, because you can really see like all of my hair on there as opposed to me sitting here shooting a video. And as you can see, if you're one of my older royals, or one of my royals that's been rocking with me for a while, I am sitting in a new area, an area that I love. I'm just hoping that I'm not looking washed out and that you can see me clearly. Please comment below if this area looks cool or if I should go back to my other area. If you can't see me and I look washed out or whatever, and you can barely see my hair or whatever the problem may be, let me know in the comment below if I should go ahead and move back over to the other area. I'm just trying this out for today because I'm loving this little space that I'm in. This is my little sunroom, and I changed it into my beauty room. Okay, so yeah, if you haven't already signed up on my Facebook page, or became a subscriber on my Facebook page, please do so. Because you will see so many pictures. You'll see my hair at all different lengths, from like here on down to like the recent picture where my hair is actually down past my thighs now. This video is going to be about the ups and downs of having like super long Natty dreads. Okay, because I hear so many people saying, "Oh my God, I wish that I can't wait till my dreads get super long," or they say locks or whatever. I can't wait till they get as long as yours, or I can't wait till they just grow. I'm gonna have patience, blah blah blah. Yes, have patience, because there's a lot that comes with this. I loved my hair. I was loving on my hair every length that it was, because it was something different that I could do with my hair on a daily basis, even if it was just like standing up or out or doing whatever it did. I just really just enjoyed the whole process all the way down to where I am now. Now, I can't say that I have more cons than pros in having super long Natty dreads. And don't get it twisted. I love, 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 love every inch of my Natty dreads. Someone asked me a crazy question the other day, and I didn't respond to it because I just felt like it didn't deserve a response. It was like, so would you be willing to cut? Why are you on my channel if you think I should cut off my dreads in the first place? But it was like, would you be willing to cut off your dreads, or you wouldn't be willing to cut off your dreads for a man that's talented and whatever, whatever. And I was sitting back like, if you sitting on my channel and you seen my videos and you see how long my hair is, why are you sitting back asking me would I cut my hair off? Obviously, you are in the wrong place, okay? First of all, I'm not looking for a man. Second of all, first of all, I'm not cutting my hair. Second of all, I'm not looking for a man. I don't care about talent and all that other stuff. That's just not, that's not on my page right now. That's not something that's on my mind right now. But hell to the no, and I rarely say anything, any curse words or anything here, but hell to the no, no, I would not cut my hair for a man, woman, child, anybody. It's not gonna happen. But one of the pros of having super long dreads is super long natties is you get to see like all the nourishments, all the nurturing and stuff that you did to allow your hair to grow long. You have to really take care of your hair in order for it to grow and stay on your head and not break off and all of that. Of course, Lucky wants to come and jump in the video. Everybody knows that's my pit bull, and he always likes being in the videos. Every time he see me with the camera or whatever, the laptop he wants to jump in. But yeah, so you can just see, the progress and everything that you've put into it to make it be healthy and long, to make them be healthy and long and flourish and stuff, to be super long. So that's one of the pros. Another pro is, I mean, as with any length, I mean, there's different styles and stuff that you could do or whatever. And I mean, as far as like pinning it up or doing whatever just to, possibly get it out of your face or whatever, or, just have, it's just different, different styles. Now, the cons, because those were my pros. Now, the cons, okay, it takes forever for my hair to dry. I'm talking about for real, because I let my hair air dry. I do not use heat or anything, no dryer, no blow dryer, anything. So it takes a couple days for my hair to dry. I mean, and I towel blot it really, 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 really good. And no, I don't have any problems with any mildew or anything like that. It's not super soaking wet like that. It's just that it takes like at least a day or two, depending on how much I towel blot it. It takes at least a day or two to dry. But no, I've never had a problem with any form of mildew or anything because of that. Because some people may think, oh well, like if you keep a towel and that's wet out, it's gonna mildew or whatever. That's not the case with my hair. I haven't had that issue. Another con is I sit on my hair a lot. I mean, comment down below if you have super long dreads and you sit on your hair a lot. I want to see who all has that problem where they're sitting on their hair, and which can make your ends weak. Yeah, that's an issue. Slamming my hair at my car door. I have thinned out a couple little Nazis from slamming my hair in the car door. It's very easy. When I jump in my car, I got to be very mindful of how I get in, because if not, my hair can be caught in the car door. I've done it also with the house doors and stuff. So you have to be very mindful, very careful. I like to keep my hair pretty much covered when I'm in the house because of that reason. Because I'm like, if you go to the bathroom, okay, and you go sit down and your hair is super long, you got to make sure that when you sit down that you move your hair out of the way, because you do not want your hair getting wet or whatever from going to the bathroom. So, that's another con. So everybody that's rushing to get like super, super, super long dreads, just know that these are some things that you will probably go through, and you got to be mindful of. Also, like I said, keeping your hair covered is good in the house, because your hair is just like, I mean, collecting dust and everything. Or if you have pets, like I have a dog, the hair flies around. Even if you don't see it, it's just like different particles that's like moving around that you can barely see or whatever. So it's good to keep it covered. And then even sometimes when you're out, to keep it covered. I'm trying to think that I have another kind. Hold on 1 second. And this is gonna be like a mini video because I don't have a lot of stuff. Oh, a lot of people for some reason think that when they see women with like super long well, here I'm just gonna say my experience. People think that because you have super long natties or whatever, that it's not your hair. Especially for, I would say, especially for me as a female, that's the issue I've had where people are just like, they don't say it to me, but they're just like, oh, that ain't her hair, that ain't her hair, and I'm like, I'm not about to argue with anybody about my hair. You know what I mean? For some reason, it's like if they say a guy with, and I'm just noticing this because I'm around a lot of people who have, uh, you know, uh, dreads or locks that they use a technique to either they twisting, palm rolling, or whatever. But if they have super long hair, I never hear them say, "Oh, that's fake hair." But again, when it comes down to some women, sometimes hair, it's like they think it's fake. Comment down below if you had that issue. I mean, any type of issues you have. If you have like long, and when I say long dreads, I don't mean shoulder length dreads. I mean dreads that are coming down close to your waist or so. Just let me know like some of the things that you encounter from having like long dreads that's kind of like a con or so. And that's pretty much it. I just wanted to come in because it's been a minute since I did a video or whatever. But if I don't have like anything to really talk about, again, I just can't keep saying the same things over and over again. I think somebody was tripping on the way. Some people were just like, "Oh, I love the way you say water," and I was just like, "Okay." I mean, I just say water, you know what I mean? And somebody had made a comment where it was like, I mean, I guess they were trying to tell me how to say it or whatever. But people have to understand, we all have different dialects. We all have, I'm sorry for my dog in the background. It's a dog walking past. Lucky, shut up! Sorry, it's a dog walking past and he's acting crazy. But, and I'll edit my video, so sorry for screaming. But, yeah, like trying to correct me, like they wrote water out, and I was like, I know what water is. You know what I'm saying? Some people say water. Some people say water. Some people say whatever, however they say it. I mean, the way I speak or whatever might be quite different, from the way other people speak. You don't know my background as far as my nationality and all of that. I mean, some people do. But I mean, it also comes from travel and being around a lot of different people where sometimes, your dialect changes a little bit or whatever. And again, you don't know my background. You don't know my ethnicity, so please don't try to clown me on the way that I say certain things, because all of us say certain things totally different than other people do. So don't be rude. I don't respond to that either. I'm happy to be doing another video. I love you, my kings and queens, my royals. I hope that helps somebody as far as like the cons and stuff, so that you can not be like super excited and rushing, the process, or being impatient and wanting super long dress. Just to know that these are some of the things, when you after you wet your hair, everybody knows that I don't use soap or anything in my hair. I may do an ACV rinse twice a year or so, depending on if I need it. I feel like twice a year is good. But I don't use anything else on my hair as far as with cleansing. I'm totally into water, and that's it. Just straight water. It's just wow. Um it's really not much more that I could say about it. But again, if you have issues with the same thing, comment down below. Thumbs up the video. If these are videos that you like to hear about, just like some of the ups and downs, pros and cons of Natty's, and I'll continue to do more. If you have any subject matters that you want to have answered. Now, if it's a video that I've already done, I'm not going to repeat it. I might just respond to you and let you know that it's a video that's already been done. But, yeah, thumbs up the video. Please continue to come back, and welcome to all my new subscribers. Thank you for coming over. And if you haven't already signed up with my Facebook channel, again, it's in the description box. All you got to do is click on it, and I'll accept you. And then you can hit me up on Messenger and talk if you want to, or if you have questions. I try to be on Messenger every now and then, and if I'm not on it, I will answer your questions. I also respond to every question, every reasonable question. especially, I mean, from my subscribers down below, in the comment area. So if you have a question, it will get answered. Again, reasonable questions, not, crazy stuff. Don't ask me about me cutting off my hair for a man and this, that, and the other, because, that ain't even something to talk about. However, again, love you all. Tried to make this a short video, but I get winded. I'll try to do another video next week. If it all depends on like some of the things that you all send me to do a video on, because I'm just like, what haven't I talked about already? All right. So peace and blessings, love and light and balance, and I'll see you all in the next video. Talk to you soon. Ciao.